In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose and open the right membership account for your savings needs. Whether you're looking for a straightforward savings account or something with a bit more premium features, we've got you covered. First, take a moment to decide which type of membership account suits your needs best. We offer a couple of options: the regular share account and the premium online savings account. Think about what you're looking for in a savings account. Do you need something basic to keep your savings safe? Or are you interested in a higher yield option with more benefits? If you've decided that the regular share account is what you need, start by navigating to the checking and savings section on our website. This section is your gateway to managing all kinds of accounts, making it an essential stop for anyone looking to open a new savings account. Once there, select Regular Savings from the options presented. This type of account is ideal for someone who wants a standard, no-frills approach to savings with all the conveniences that come with it. After selecting the regular savings option, look for the button that says Open Now. Clicking this will initiate the process of setting up your account. It's straightforward and should take just a few moments to get started. Alternatively, if you're interested in the premium online savings account, you'll want to return to that same checking and savings section. This type option is designed for those who are looking for something a bit more robust, possibly with better interest rates or additional features. Once you're in the right area, pick Premium Online Savings from the available options. Upon selecting Premium Online Savings, you'll see a button labeled Start Saving Now. Clicking this will get you started on opening your account, presenting an opportunity to take advantage of any premium features that might be on offer. Once you've clicked through and chosen your preferred account, the next step is to follow the system prompts to complete your membership application. At this stage, the system will guide you through a series of questions and forms meant to gather the necessary information for your new account. Be prepared to provide some personal details like your address and identification information. This is standard procedure to ensure everything is set up correctly and securely. Throughout this process, take each prompt one step at a time and review the information before submitting. The system is designed to be user-friendly, but if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. By the end of these steps, you'll have successfully set up your new savings account, tailored to suit your needs, and can begin managing your finances with greater confidence. Congratulations on taking this important financial step, and happy saving!